Hello, welcome to Design Sentences Part 1. Design sentences is where you can build smart sentences that you use frequently. This results in less typing. So let's get started. Click on the white button that says Go to Design Sentences. This is the instructional page. It's here for your convenience whenever you need help. So how does it work? Let's look at sections. Your sentences are grouped into sections. You need to choose a name for each section, a name you will recognize and can find easily. An example of a section name is story, keywords, grammar. It's very important to remember that you cannot change the name of your sections once you have added them. Each section can contain up to 12 sentences. These sentences can be edited, just not the section name. Now, Eezi Feedback uses smart sentences. When you are typing your feedback, your smart sentences will change according to the feedback you are doing. This is what we mean. Smart sentences are always written as if you're typing for a male student. If your student is female, Eezi Feedback will automatically change all the masculine words, including boy, him, his, he, and himself, to feminine words, including girl, her, she, and herself. Please be advised that this will only apply if you specify what gender your student is. Smart sentences also uses variables to make your sentences usable in every feedback scenario. A variable looks like this: hashtag, variable name, hashtag. Now, you want the sentence to be available to you at all times. So let's do an example of how to use a variable correctly. So my sentence is, Lisa, you struggled with some of the keywords in Unit 5 of Advanced Level 2. The keywords were calculate, explore, compare, and spiral. Now, I want this sentence to be available for every student I have in case they are struggling with some of the keywords. But I don't want Lisa's name in it, and I don't want the unit number and the unit name. So, we then set up a smart sentence using the following variables. To set up the sentence using variables, instead of saying Lisa, we say student. Instead of saying Unit 5, we say module. And instead of saying Advanced Level 5, we say unit. And if we want Eezi Feedback to pull the keywords for that unit, then we just type in hashtag keywords hashtag. So if you look at this diagram, there are 7 different types of variables. The most common ones to be used is hashtag student hashtag, hashtag unit hashtag, hashtag module hashtag, and hashtag keywords hashtag. Now this sentence will be available for every student that I do a feedback on, no matter the name of the student and what the study unit I taught them. There are 3 types of smart sentences in design sentences. 1 is using variables, which you have just learned. 2, using gender. And 3, adding normal sentences where no gender and variables are used. Click on our video part 2 to see how I create a smart sentence. Thank you, Eezi Feedback, making feedback easy.